Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and law-of-attraction-blueprint.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys what to look out for when the universe is trying to tell you what's about to happen in your life and if you are on the right path to getting what you want. Before we get started, all of my law of attraction tools are going to be in my description box below, including my How to Manifest ebook, my guided scripting sheets up to 16 different subjects, my 2023 Law of Attraction Manifesting Planner, my Raise Your Vibration audio, and more. Everything's going to be linked in my description box. But let's get into this video. Okay, the reason why I'm even doing this video, last night I was taking my boyfriend back home and I saw a license plate with the number 8080. But in my head, I was like, why do I have the urge to look up what that means? So I was like, I didn't look it up. I kept on going throughout the night. I didn't think nothing else of it until we got closer to where he lives. And out of nowhere, my eyes dart up to this billboard. And the last 4 digits of this phone number is 8080. And I'm like, okay, let me look it up. So when I looked it up, this is what it says. It says, if you are seeing this number, it means you are a very lucky person and your guardian angels are trying to communicate with you and let you know that you are on the path to success. And I was like, thank God. So in another meaning, it says angel number 8080 is also a number that is associated with balance, new beginnings, and upcoming changes. So I've been seeing 555 for a long time. So typically 555 for me is shown to me when changes related to my career is about to happen. But it's always positive. It's always elevation. So I'm not worried about that. I've been seeing 888. 888 has been whooping my behind. Okay? When I tell you jumping me, 888 for me always means I'm about to get a bag. Amazing. But this one is new. 8080. So like I said, I saw it on the license plate number. I was hesitant to look it up, but I kept going throughout the night. I seen it on the billboard too. And when I get home, I'm watching this reel on Instagram and it's the number of likes is 8080. I'm like, okay, got it. Something amazing is about to happen. So I am open to accepting positive changes in my life. So clearly your guardian angels and your ancestors and the universe can't literally just come out and say, hey, this is what's about to happen. So communication comes with repeated numbers. So if you're seeing repeated numbers, I want to take the time to say, hey, let me look up what this means and observe what is your thought at that moment. What were you thinking about just now when you saw that number? So if you are wondering if you are on the right path, look out for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. That means you're taking the right steps. If you're looking 444, you're divinely protected. 222, you are in alignment. 888, the money is coming, honey. 777, something wonderful is about to happen to you. And if you get random numbers that like 234 or 717, 818, 808, but you're constantly seeing them, take the time to look it up. The universe is trying to communicate with you. If you're wondering like, okay, what do I need to do now? Or am I doing things correctly? Look out for numbers, look out for signs. Also, if you want a straight, direct answer, for example, if you're wondering, should I continue to have this person in my life, or should I switch jobs, should I look for another job, should I continue with my clothing line, or etc., this is what you do. And it may shock you about how fast it happens. Ask for a sign. This is what I do. If things are going to be okay, can you show me a lime green caterpillar? Make sure you're asking for stuff that you do not normally see. One example was, if I'm not going to hear from this person this month, can you show me a picture of Nelly? I don't follow Nelly on Instagram. He's not one of those celebrities that's still like trending a lot, so I'm not gonna see him. He's not in my playlist. No offense to him. I'm on a computer working. Nelly, his song comes on and I look, clearly it's a picture of Nelly too. And that month I did not hear from that person. So it's just, if you want to know a sign that maybe everything's going to be okay, if you're doing something correctly, or if you're going in the right direction, ask for a specific sign and pay attention to the angel numbers around you. So if this video helped you and you're going to try it, if you're going to try asking for a specific sign or pay attention to the angel numbers and the repeated numbers around you, go ahead and give this video a like or drop a comment. Like I said before, all of my law of attraction manifestation tools are going to be linked in my description box below.